everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to be trying out a product from a brand that I am not familiar with, but I got this in my August 2021 Ipsy Glam bag, and this is from the brand Moroccan Magic. And it's the Watermelon Lip Balm. And so if you have not seen my unbagging of my Ipsy Glam bag this month, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But I love learning about new brands, and especially brands like this. This is organic, it's cruelty-free, made with all natural ingredients. It has argan and essential oils, and I just love lip balms because I always have dry, chapped lips. Like, my lips are looking very chapped right now, but hopefully this helps. And then I was looking up at this brand a bit, and they have such cool products, and they have really nice looking gift sets, and it's not crazy expensive. This is a full-size product, retails for $4. And I really love that I got the watermelon one in Ipsy, but this comes in so many different flavors. But watermelon is, for some reason, my favorite lip product flavor. So that's just perfect that I got the watermelon one. Now let's see if it smells like watermelon. It does. Oh, so nice. It's definitely not like an overpowering scent, but I love the smell of it. Okay, I am so excited to put this on my lips right now. They need it badly, so let's see how it is. So nice. Doesn't get any quicker or easier to apply, but a great feel on my lips. They are completely moisturized now, so this is great. It's doing exactly what I was hoping and expecting. A great lip balm. And I know, like, lip balms are kind of a simple seeming product, but this really is, in my opinion, a perfect lip balm because it has a great flavor to it. It's organic. It's not very expensive. It has nourishing ingredients. It's cruelty-free. Just everything that I could want for a lip balm. I love a quick, successful review video, but now I really want to try out more from Moroccan Magic. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you've tried out any other products from this brand, because I would love to get some recommendations. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.